Mike?
Dude, I had a nightmare. Like, I don't know what happened, but then I was like, wait, what are we watching?
Yo, man, I don't even know for sure, bro. Man, just forget about it, bro. I'm gonna have the munchies. Let's go get something to eat, man.
Alright, I guess. I mean, I got something in my pantry. You want some?
I'm good at cooking, man. It.
Alright, yes.
Let's just go. I'm starving.
Yo, what? Yo, how's the lights? Yo, what's that noise? What the?
Oh, what, Mike?
What are you doing?
I was trying to work out, man. Well, the lights turned off. I don't think they're turning back on.
Yo.
Do you have any flashlights?
Yeah, I think I got some. I got this one right here. Then I also got this like weird purple one.
Yo, man, what is that?
What are you talking about?
What the? That's a lot of. Dad?
What's that noise, bro?
No way. What's going on? It's still going on. Hey, calm down. Calm down, alright? I'm gonna go check it out.
No, believe me.
It could just be a cat or a dog. You stay here with your little brother. But don't worry. Alright, don't worry.
Don't leave me. No. Run, no. No, what am I gonna do? This is not happening. Oh, I need to go pair balls. I need to go out there. What am I gonna do? No, run, left. Okay. I'm gonna do this. You know what? I'm gonna do it for my country. Canada. Let's do this. Alright, I gotta get run. Whoa. What the? Ron?
Hey, Mike. Yeah, what's up, man?
What are you doing?
Man, I was hungry. We said we were gonna get some food.
Food? Dude, you freaking scared me!
My house ain't even gonna scare you, man.
No.
Hey,
Calm down.
Calm down. We're gonna find out what that noise is, man. And we're gonna be okay. Alright, just follow my lead, man.
I trust you, Ron.
Come on.
I trust you.
No gay. Let's go. Who's that?
Oh, that's my brother's friend.
Okay, let's keep looking. Yo, lights are on in there. I think it's on. We have to go, man. Don't worry, I'm right here. Brave up, bro. Brave up. You've been acting like a bitch the whole time.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, it smells like a dead body.
It does.
Killed someone.